How's the world doing this evening? Forgive me, I'm a little bit dirty. This is going to be the introduction to my video because, well, why not make the introduction after we've done everything for the day? So after thinking about it and ending my video the way I did, I'm just going to edit this thing here in a little bit and upload it to YouTube and wherever else later. I'm glad I decided to start on this thing today instead of waiting until tomorrow and try to rush and get it all knocked out, because I ran into some issues and stuff, and learned a couple of really cool things about my bike. So got the Kiriakin soundbar pulled off. I don't like that. That's going to be sold to somebody. Took the road lights off because, well, one of them, the highway lights weren't working, and found out why. You'll get to see why in the video. There's a reason that you solder wire and protect things with something a little bit better than duct tape, like, heat shrink tubing, or you just find better places to hang things than where they hung one of the little power blocks they decided to run. I don't know who did it. I'm not going to guess. I'm pretty sure a dealership may have installed that. But like I said, I'm not going to guess. I'm just going to let it be, because if I thought about it, just get my blood pressure up and I get really pissed off. So tomorrow we're going to pull the wires out the bars. We're going to install the risers from Original Garage. We're going to put the OD bar on there and pull all that, and then we're going to take down the take off the forks, rebuild them. That's actually shouldn't take too long. I don't have anybody to hold the phone or a way to hold the phone, and my GoPro's shot, so yeah, we're doing it this way right now until I can figure out something else. I've been spending money on like bike parts and accessories and bills and a lot of other things. Anything but a GoPro, sorry. Making videos is not the high point of my life. I know some people love it, but I do that a lot. So tonight we're going to upload this video and go from there. We'll make another video and probably edit and upload that tomorrow night. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. All right, so we have gotten the fairing off. Woo, fun times. So we're gonna have to get it jacked up next. As you can see, it's still leaking pretty good down there. We've gotten the fairing off. So I had some highway lights down here on the bar, and somebody put them up this way. Now, if you are looking at my wonderfully butt-connected fittings here and asking why this is a bad way, it is. You should actually take when you put wires together, you should solder them together and then put heat shrink tubing around them and shrink them down with a heat gun. I actually have all that crap here, except I'm out of solder. So this probably won't get fixed today. Matter of fact, I may just pull the wires out completely and actually not even bother with putting the highway bars back. I don't know yet. I've got to look at this once I get the front end off. So basically all this is coming off. They left me some wire, but I went ahead and bought the Gorilla Cables extension and stuff, because I'm going to put the Original Garage bars on here with the ODI, or the Original Garage risers with the ODI bar. We're going to clean these forks up too. They shouldn't be pitted. I mean, I should not be seeing that, especially considering I had a fairing and all in front of it. So we're going to take all this stuff off. I do have star heads that big, so that's a good thing. I'm happy. When I pull it off, I'm probably not going to put the gators back on. Just videotaping. I'm probably going to take some pictures showing actually where all this stuff is at and mark it. So it's coming along, it's moving. I mean, I'm going to go ahead, I'll pull these brackets off, but that way it'll make cleaning these forks up a little bit easier. It kind of irritates me that they look like that. That just tells me somebody didn't bother to clean it before they put all this stuff on here. That, or they decided to put that on here to hide it. I mean, it's a 2019, they shouldn't look like that. So we'll get that cleaned up, get it polished up. There's a few things I know you can do to make those look better. So that's probably what I will end up doing. So I'm going to probably take the clamps off, and that's going to be the end of it for tonight. But we'll come back to it. And once I get the clamps off, I'll probably show you. All right, so this is a metric one. That's not going to work on what I'm trying to do. So we're going to put it back in here. Excuse the mess in the shop. I share this with my dad, and well, it's his shop, and his give a damn is frankly not there. So, yay. So let's go switch over here to my set. These are actually my tools because my dad shit scattered haphazardly wherever and all because. So once again, we've had to switch from metric to standard. I've got a hodgepodge of shit on here, and I didn't build it. But we'll come back once we get this off and show you what it's like. All right, stopping for a progress update. I'm gonna work on this thing probably a little bit more and then call it a night. As you can see, we got the fairings and the holders off. I've got to clean all this up. I think that'll actually just clean out pretty easily. I just connected a whole bunch of wires that ran up here for extra stuff. Coming around, I've gotten to both sides of the battery compartment and all. I'm trying to pull the battery to get these wires right here out. Somebody, and I'm not saying who because I can't prove it, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was a tech at the dealership where I bought this. Ran some wires and stuff, and I found this wonderful thing. Yeah, look at all that. That's how I found it. It was not, they had it wrapped up with electrical tape. They ran all the accessories there and had this wire right here running over, supplying power off this block. This is regular old 12 volt 30 amp, you know. No fuses in line or anything to protect it. It fried this piece. I'm not running those. I'm not running any accessories that are connected, so I'm just going to disassemble all this. They literally had the wires wrapped around the battery cover. Here's the battery cover that I pulled out. They made it a royal pain in the ass to get to. It's just crazy so far. Battery is disconnected. I meant to tell y'all earlier. Didn't get to show y'all that part. Don't forget to loosen your tank, put something up under it, you know, that way get it up out of the way, that way you can access your wires and stuff a little easier. Oops, I knew better and I still did it anyway because I haven't done this in like a bajillion years. And the last bikes I actually had to do stuff like this on were set up a whole lot different, but I'm going to finish taking out these wires and these accessories that I don't use, don't need. Some hell yeah brother bike, I guess, I don't know. But I'm going to work on that and probably go cooking some supper and call it a night. It's getting late. I got to get this finished tomorrow, so I'm going to get an early start. Alright, so this is probably where we're going to stop at. I'll go ahead and pull all these wires and stuff out the way tomorrow, get all that out the way, go ahead and get it jacked up, get the forks off, get them drained, get them cleaned up, go ahead and replace the seals. That actually will be the easiest job. I thought it was going to be like the hardest. Oops, that's what I get for thinking. As you can see, we got all the extra wires and crap out the way. I've just got the button to keep things up. I will save that for last. Once I get that done, I will get this thing washed and cleaned up and detailed because she definitely needs it. She needs some TLC. I don't know who wired this. I'd purchased it at a dealership. I would hope they didn't do it, but unfortunately, I've seen some sketchy shit from some dealerships. So this is where we're going to end it tonight, and I don't know if I'm going to edit and post this tonight or if I'm going to record some more and do it tomorrow. I'll probably edit and post this tonight and just do a short little video, so I might post it to YouTube and forever. So here she is, stripped down, being worked on, getting some stuff done. I'll get those damn ugly ass mini gates off tomorrow and get the original garage bars on. I'll get the forks off, get it rebuilt. I just wanted to get a lot of this extra crap that I knew was going to help me time out the way today. So we'll get an early jump on her in the morning and go from there.